If you're a cat owner, you know that cleaning the litter box is one of the least enjoyable parts of pet care. That's why I'm excited to introduce to you the MOVA Self-Cleaning Litter Box LR1 Prime, a smart and stylish upgrade that makes litter box maintenance nearly effortless. MOVA Pet Care is known for blending technology and convenience to improve the lives of pets and their owners, and this latest product is no exception. Special thanks to MOVA for sponsoring today's video. As always, you'll find the link in the video description below. Let's start with the design because it's a game changer. The MOVA litter box features a spacious semi-open dome offering your cat a wide, comfortable area to turn, stretch, dig, and exit without feeling confined. The open top design means there are no height restrictions or awkward obstructions, making it suitable for cats from 3.3 pounds all the way up to 22 pounds, including those larger breeds. Plus, the open layout also makes it easier to keep the space clean. Any mess on the interior walls is more visible and simpler to remove. One of the standout features is its advanced odor control system. Inside the waste compartment, MOVA uses auto deodorant spray that works like a natural air purifier. It sprays and neutralizes harmful gases like ammonia and sulfur dioxide, breaking down odors at the source. It's non-toxic, scent-free, and completely safe for your pets. And that's just the beginning. MOVA goes even further with an air-purifying fresh air system built directly into the silo. It uses an activated carbon filter to trap and eliminate lingering smells and reduce dust, helping you to keep your home smelling clean and fresh. Maintenance has also been made incredibly user-friendly. The entire unit is easy to disassemble with one hand, and the interior is made from non-stick materials, which means no more scraping or scrubbing. Everything is designed for quick, painless cleanup, even when you're in a rush. The waste compartment has an 11-liter capacity, giving you up to 14 days of use without needing to empty it. Ideal for busy schedules or multi-cat homes. The litter area itself holds about 8 liters, and the unit is powered by a standard AC power supply. Another key feature is self-cleaning and waste handling. The MOVA box uses a smart drawstring trash bag design that makes removing used litter quick, clean, and simple. The system automatically scoops and stores waste, minimizing odor and keeping your space hygienic for your cat. And it doesn't stop there. MOVA features built-in cat health monitoring, letting you create individual profiles to track each cat's weight and bathroom habits. This helps detect potential health issues early, with detailed logs over time to keep both you and your vet informed of any changes in your pet's well-being. Safety is also top of mind. The smart stop sensor ensures that if your cat enters the box during cleaning, the process immediately pauses and only resumes once all pets have safely exited. That means peace of mind for you and a safer experience for your furry friend. And to top it all off, MOVA offers seamless app integration through their MOVA Home app, available on the iOS and Android app stores. Once connected, you can create a profile for your cat, track its weight and bathroom habits, and even catch early signs of potential health issues, all from your phone. It's a smart, convenient way to put your cat's health at your fingertips. So if you're feline tired of scooping litter every day, the MOVA Self-Cleaning Litter Box LR1 Prime might just be the perfect solution. With smart features, sleek design, and serious odor control, it's clearly the cat's meow when it comes to modern pet care. From spacious comfort to high-tech tracking, this litter box truly positively transforms your routine.